Welcome back. Let's head to the pool, shall we? The Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, is once again being taken to task by one of its members. This time, the fallout is over a scholarship grant for one of the nation's top junior swimmers. Jordan Fort reports.
Representatives for national 50-meter breaststroke record holder Campbell are once again furious with the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ. The issue stems from a disagreement over the amount of financial assistance the 18-year-old should receive from a scholarship awarded to him by swimming's world governing body, FINA. TVJ Sports is in receipt of a budget submitted to the ASAJ by Campbell's coach Rory Alvaranga, which totaled $2,250 a month for Campbell's preparation, but that figure was cut to $700 a month by the ASAJ. In an email sent to ASAJ Vice President Georgia Sinclair, Campbell's coach Alvaranga called the actions of the association discourteous and said local swimming's governing body was victimizing him and people associated with him. The ASAJ says it did its own research and sought advice from its finance committee and treasurer in coming up with the revised figure, which was reduced by over 60%. The biggest cuts by the ASAJ were to the amounts submitted for coaching and nutrition. The ASAJ cut the $900 figure put forward by Alvaranga as coaching fee to $300 and slashed the nutrition and supplement figure down to almost 10% of the proposed $500 amount to $70. Campbell's team also saw the $250 requested for strength and conditioning cut to $180. Sports psychology was cut from $150 to $100, and there was a $50 figure included by the ASAJ for massage therapy. The transportation and medical and competition items which were submitted by Alvaranga were not included in the ASAJ's submission. In his letter to the ASAJ, Alvaranga cited figures in excess of $1,700 given to overseas-based Jamaican swimmers Michael Gunning and Keenan Dawes under similar arrangements, in saying that the ASAJ's cuts to Campbell's figure belies malintent. Alvaranga also said that he consulted with members of other federations and that his budget was in keeping with all other scholarship recipients. He went further to say that him and Campbell's father, Dwayne, will ask that the scholarship be moved from Jamaica to the US-based Azura Aquatics for his preparation. ASAJ Vice President Georgia Sinclair declined to comment on the matter when contacted by TVJ Sports, saying that the association will not address it publicly until there is a response from FINA. Campbell missed out on selection for the FINA World Short Course Championships in Abu Dhabi late last year after the ASAJ deviated from its usual selection criteria for universality places a day before the deadline for submission of entries. Along with the national 50-meter breaststroke record, Campbell also holds the national senior record for the 100-meter breaststroke, which he lowered twice in 2021. Campbell is preparing with an aim to compete at the 19th FINA World Championship in Fukuoka, Japan in May, and the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England in July and August of this year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.